So, as part of our mission to speed up the adoption of today's technology, one of the things we also focus on is, this is not technology that could happen in 10 years' time or is going to happen in a few years' time. This is technologies that can be implemented within a matter of days and weeks, not months and years. So people are looking for quick benefits, quick proof that this is going to work. And the reason why we love starting with video as a way to get in that journey is that we can do a 30-minute video with you. We'll position you as the expert. You or your team will actually, be able to talk about the thing they're passionate about, and that comes across in video. So the whole kind of journey to kind of know, like, and trust you is being dealt with because your audience is seeing your expert or you on the screen, the real person, maybe in their living room talking, maybe from their kitchen table, but you're seeing the real person, and that's an amazingly kind of I guess relatively recent development that we're all comfortable bringing people into our homes, to use video, and that just humanifies the or humanizes the content and the interaction you're getting. This is not an actor. This is the expert. This is the real person talking about the thing that they know most in the world about, and that passion is so powerful when it comes to your sales cycle. But that 30-minute video is gold dust. What is important beyond that is you leverage it. So this is something that we do day in, day out, is we take that 30-minute video, which will look great, position your expert as the global expert in his field, her field. But after that, we then leverage it so that the content is digestible by your end audience. So that means that it's in a kind of downloadable PDF format. It's put into kind of a narrative format that people can actually read and choose to read at the right time for them. There's short form videos that we take out of that, so that if they don't want to watch the 30-minute video, they've got the 15-second video soundbite. They've got the 3-minute excerpt that they can watch to get a flavour of what's going on. They've got the sort of the Cliff's Note bullet points of the things you should pick up from that interview. So for your end audience, we're making it super easy for them to digest what you can do and how you do it. And with that, that leads to the call to action that has people picking up the phone to talk to you, to ask more, to inquire deeper. And that's where you're positioned for a better and faster sale. So it all comes from the power of a very great video, but highly leveraged thereafter. And that shortens the sales cycle and positions your team as the experts in their field.